Alright guys, so in this video, you need to take some notes with me. We are going to be subtracting using expanded form. Now some people call this subtracting with place value. It's just really breaking it apart into your hundreds, your tens, and your ones. Or if you have bigger numbers, thousands, hundreds, tens, and one. You're just breaking it apart. So we're still sticking with this problem, 300 minus 126. And we should get the same answer right here, right? Doing it a different way. So you're going to break it apart first. Now, I know this doesn't have any tens in one, but we're still going to list it as plus 0. So like this, 300 plus 0 tens plus 0 ones. And you'll see why in a minute. Minus 100 plus 20 plus 6. We're going to subtract this. So now if I have 0 ones, I cannot take away 6 from it. So when I go here to my tens place, I still don't have any groups of 10 that I can borrow, right? So I've got to go all the way right over here to my 300 and say, can I borrow 100 from you? Yes. So this gets changed to 200. And I'm going to take the whole 100 here because I still have to, this still has to add up to equal 300. I'm just splitting it up differently. Now I can borrow from this 100. I can borrow 10, so I make this 90, and this, I take the full group of 10 over. So when I add this up, 200 plus 90 plus 10, it still equals 100 or 300. I've just distributed the amounts a little bit differently, but it's still equal to 300. So 10 minus 6 gives me 4. 90 minus 20, 9 minus 2 is 7, so 70. And then 200 minus 100, 100. So when I add it up, 174.